I'm Roger with Guarantee. Today we're in Grand Ron, Spirit Mountain Casino, doing an RV show. Today we're going to be looking at a 24F by Four Winds, Thor Corporation, largest RV manufacturer, I believe, in the world. Okay, let's take a look at this one. It's a 2018. It's got the Velvac mirrors, which are nice and large, going to give you a good view. They've got the side camera built into them, going to keep it up out of the mist, so it's going to be really useful. We've got the electric awning with LED lights directly over our outside entertainment package. You can sit out here, watch a movie, a little fire, kids watching like Frozen out here. It's a memory they're going to have forever. A lot of storage. This is a really fresh unit we just got in. Another nice storage area. It's a 30 amp coach, so you can plug it in just about anywhere. We've got our tow package in the back. This is an 8,000 pound hitch. You got to do your math to figure out exactly how much you can pull with this. It's got the ladder to get up and inspect your roof. Look at the size of that storage area. This is one big slide on this side. There's another nice storage area. Outside shower, great for washing up after playing at the beach with the kids and the dogs and, well, just about anything else. We've got the Onan 4,000 watt generator, micro quiet, very quiet generator. Let's go inside and take a look. Walk around queen bed and back. It's got the magic dinette table that's going to make into another sleeping area very easily, very effectively. And then of course we've got our front overhead bunk with our big TV. Amplified TV antenna. Easy access to the cockpit. Very small step here. Nothing you're really going to stumble over. We've got our backup camera. We've got our dash camera. We've got our standard Ford cockpit. We have heated electric mirrors on both sides. Again, it's a small coach. It's only 24 feet. Thor Corporation put in a convection microwave and an oven with a 3-burner stove. Nice flush top cover. Gives you more counter space. And they also added a nice slip-up countertop extension. Pull-out fixture. Love that. Nice little bit of storage. A few drawers. Storage over here on this side underneath our Dream Dinette booth. Oh, little coach. Big bathroom. That walk-around bed. There is a place for a TV on this unit. Our heating and cooling controls are here in the bedroom, because let's face it, that's where you really want them, because when you go to bed at night you want to turn off the heat, in the morning you want to turn it on. Easy to get to. This is a Four Winds 24F. I'm Roger with Guarantee here in Grand Ron, Spirit Mountain Casino for Guarantee. Thank you. Have a nice day.